Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about another kind of UV-Visible Spectrophotometer. So in the first part we'll be talking about the basics of this UV-Visible Spectrophotometer. So we all know that UV-Visible Spectrophotometer is going to tell us about the quantity of organic or inorganics in the liquid sample. So here we have the UV-Visible Spectrophotometer, which is from the brand Jenway. Okay, and this is my manual in front of us. Okay, so this manual is very critical in terms if we want to quantify any organic or inorganic compound. Okay, so this series spectrophotometers are designed to be operated by trained skilled people. Okay, and this is the contact number. If you have some issue, you can contact them, and there are other informations about the use, about the other informations that the bandwidth is 4 nanometers, so it has tungsten halogen light source xenons. Okay, and the wavelength resolution is around 0.1 nanometers, accuracy repeatability photometric ranges is minus 0.3 to 3 absorbance as per the Beer-Lambert law, and this is the photometric resolution, accuracy. These are all the informations which we should read, and this is the good practice guidelines. You have to adhere to these SOP procedures that is provided by the company. And if you have a disposable cuvettes, these are not disposable, it can be reused, so you can use and throw it. And the glass cuvette should be thoroughly cleaned after use and discard when scratches become evident in the optical surface, because the light passes through that cuvette. Okay, and also glass tubes and samples should be used with care, and these are the unpacking instructions. And then we can see here, this is my standby and this is my instrument settings. Okay, which you can set. Okay, and these are my user preferences. You want to adjust, and these simple things. When you want to come back, the third is the back key, and this is the memory manager. Okay, and this is calculating. Similarly, this is my default wavelength that you want to set. Suppose you want to set 275 for example, so you will enter, and this is method security, and if this is the default method, if you want to change, you can change. Okay, and this is my photometric method. Suppose I not want to say, I want to come back. So this is my main interface where it says photometric, kinetics, spectrum. Suppose we want to do a spectrum analysis, so we will go here and set our start wavelength. For example, I want to scan clear, then I want to scan from 200, and this is the last one, 400. Okay, and this is my plot interval. If you want to change the plot interval, you can change. End wavelength you can change, and method security. And then you want to save, then you will save. And this is my main the way we showed you in the DR hatch UV-Visible Spectrophotometer. And the main thing is you have to make sure you have a data reader here, and there is also a USB port from where you can, which is at the back. Okay, so you have something like this should be connected. This is the main button, power button, and this one is my switch on, switch off. Okay, I would say no. So this method is being saved.
And suppose you want to do quantitation, in that also you have to specify the measurement mode. All the things are similar. Don't say no. Then we have the multi-wavelength, then kinetics. Multi-wavelength also you have to specify the wavelength. Okay, and this is my compartment where I have to place my qubits, and this is my carousel, the same like we saw in the DRH UV-Visible Spectrophotometers. Okay, so this was all about the basic instructions of the Jenway UV-Visible Spectrophotometer.